Hi, I'm Allison Winteroth, and I wanted to share with you a couple of printers that I've been testing. I am a photographer, and color and clarity are really important to me. So I have made it my personal mission to print and compare a lot of printers to each other. So some of these printers are, I try to pick ones that are going to be similar in size or, price range. These are two printers they print pretty much the same size print. However, they're really different. This is an inkjet printer, so it's a pocket inkjet, and this is a dye sublimation, which means it layers on the ink. It's like it doesn't really have a cartridge. It has a cartridge in the fact that there is something that you pop into it, but it has like a magenta layer. It has a cyan layer and a yellow layer, and then it layers those colors to actually make the prints. And this one actually uses ink, so this could get clogged, I guess, although this has not clogged for me, but a traditional inkjet. So this kind of relieves some of the pressure of what traditional inkjets used to do, which was clog. I went ahead and printed out a whole bunch of the same photos from each printer, and actually, this is the Liene Pearl N200, and this is the Nelko Pocket Inkjet. So these are around the same price. They're not super far off in price. They have, like I said, similar sizes, and they're both really good printers. They recharge. They have cartridges and special paper. You will need special paper for each one of these that are manufactured by each company. There are some generic brands that you can find on Amazon, and if I have a couple, I will link them below. They work pretty much the same. I've done the generics a whole bunch of times, and it's totally fine. So I printed a whole bunch of them. So they're both going to be stickers, and they're both pretty similar in color. But I will say that the Liene, it really does the skin tones better and the whites better than the Nelko. I just think that it's a little bit more accurate. This one, it has a border on all the prints. So this one actually will print all the way to the edge, which is really nice if that's what you like. Like I said, they're both stickers. I went ahead and stuck both of them to this journal, and they're both nice and strong. This has been sitting here in slightly humid environment for a couple weeks, and nothing has like peeled or come off. So, I would say that if you're using these for journaling, which most likely you're sticking these, that they're both pretty good options. The place where the Nelko really shines is the clarity on the Nelko is second to none. It is so beautiful, and the colors are really accurate and crisp. You can see the darks. It just really stands out on the print. I personally like this white border, but it's really up to you. But the clarity on this one is just absolutely gorgeous. I really do love that. The other big difference between them is the Liene is really waterproof, and these are really not that waterproof. And what I did was I printed the same photo, and then I put like a spoonful of water on each one of them, and you can see that the skin and you can see the print itself really changed color in the Nelko, and the Liene, you could never tell that I had water on it. So this is way more waterproof. It has a protective coating for fingers. I really never seen fingerprints on these photos. So they're actually really, really good quality. And I think the quality on this is really good. It's just the water, you really can't get these wet. The stick didn't do anything to the sticker. Like the print itself is fine, but the color, definitely you can see there's some discoloration from where I wiped the water away. So anyway, I just wanted to compare these two printers for you. I would love if they help you make a decision over, which one you like best. I'd love if you gave this video a subscribe or a like, or you use one of the links below to purchase. That helps me keep this channel going and keep doing reviews just like this. I try and make them as unbiased as possible. I buy every single thing that I review so that I am not beholden to any company or anybody. So you can just see these are all really, really great options. I think both of these are nice printers. It really just depends on what's most important to you.